spirit flavorings. And for today's video, we'll be going over the spiced mango breakfast smoothie. All right, everyone, so to go over the overview for this smoothie, it's gonna be a slightly dessert style of a breakfast smoothie that is I like to name it after Conan O'Brien, the comedian, just because as you can see, a lot of orange, it's got a little bit of vanilla in it. It just reminds me a lot of a little bit of spiciness, right? It just reminds me a lot of Conan and kind of his humor. So this comes in at 420 calories and 37 grams of protein. And yeah, what can I say? This is definitely a really good kind of dessert-oriented breakfast smoothie. All right, so let's start off with our 6 ounces of coconut milk. So the coconut milk is going to give us medium chain triglycerides, which are really good fatty acids for long-term energy, brain function, all that good stuff. And it's a little bit thicker than like an almond milk, so I like to use that with a lot of the tropical type of fruits. Next, we're going to be adding in ice. I got 4 ice cubes here. And that's just going to cool it down a little bit more, give it a little bit more creamy texture. We have a half cup of cauliflower, which is a very good vegetable that provides, just kind of think of it as like a multivitamin of, yeah, it's just a lot of vitamins, a lot of minerals. I love these for smoothies, nice clear texture, so it doesn't interfere with the color. So half a cup of that. We're gonna do half a cup of Greek yogurt. This is gonna aid in your digestion, good probiotic for your gut health, a lot of good protein, and for this one, not a lot of lactose, so if you're lactose intolerant, this is a really good option. It's not gonna make your belly go bad. Next, we're gonna have a half cup of oranges, and oranges are gonna provide a really nice orange color as well as a lot of vitamin C, which is a powerhouse vitamin. Next, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This is gonna provide the spice, some good anti-inflammatory elements to that. Next, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, vanilla imitation. And this provides kind of that background vanilla flavor. It goes really good with mangoes. And once again, we're gonna have our mangoes, 1 full cup. So I like mangoes. They're a very kind of lower calorie version for as much sweetness as you get. Good tropical flavor, lots of vitamin C, antioxidants, all that good stuff. Good tropical flavor. So next we're gonna do our 1 scoop of protein powder. And this is mostly gonna be giving us most of our protein. Okay, and last but not least, we have a good dark rum. So dark rum with mango, really good combination, especially for your tropical drinks. 1 milliliter of the dark rum. Okay, and you just put that right over the top. And with that, let's go ahead and let's blend. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a pour. All right, nice and creamy, thick. You can already smell kind of the vanilla coming through. Okay, so here we go, taste test. Not too much, a little bit of mango, a little bit of spice definitely coming through. All right, first taste, this tastes like fall. Really good. The cinnamon goes with the mango right up front. Doesn't really pop at you, but you definitely get a very mellow mango, cinnamon coming through, dark rum, a little bit at the end, that kind of molasses kick. Vanilla just really kind of, I think, emphasizes with the cinnamon and the mango. Yeah, definitely you're getting a nice mellow mango, that nice kind of cinnamon interacting with the vanilla all throughout, and at the end you kind of get that nice dark rum, molasses coming through. So yeah, very good fall smoothie. Kind of tropical, not too much though. And I definitely recommend this one if you like mangoes, if you like a little bit of spice from like cinnamon, nutmeg, things like that. So with that, if you guys like this video, go ahead and comment down below what your favorite ingredients are, what you would change with the spiced mango smoothie, and what are your thoughts on Conan O'Brien, what are your favorite jokes of his, and just let me know down below in the comments. And with that, I'll see you guys giddy up.